guys? Josh here with JCS Customs. Got Zach again. This is the day that he's been waiting on. We are installing his ZL1 1LE bumper from American Muscle, right? So I actually haven't installed one of these from American Muscles. You see it here. He got it color matched shock from Allison, the paint lady on Airport Boulevard. If you're local here in Mobile, Alabama, she did an awesome job with the color match here and the gloss black accessories. As you can see, got the DRL housings, the splitter, the top grille, the actual frame bumper cover here. He's actually upgrading lights as well to the RS and SS signature lights, so that's gonna look awesome on there. And he's already installed the bottom grille here, also done in gloss black. So I'm going to time lapse this portion of the video as we're installing, just for, so the video is not too long. So you ready to do this?
I'm so excited, man.
Let's do it. We got it all together. What do you think was the hardest part?
I think that splitter was the worst.
Splitter was the worst. It was a tight fit. It didn't want to pull around the edges here, but eventually got it on. You see a pretty good fit on everything. So let's start the breakdown process of getting this one off.
Nice knowing you.
It's the last time it's going to be like this, unless he decides to take this one off.
You saying a goodbye to this stock bumper real quick? Just taking an admiring.
All right, let's do it. So what we're going to do is actually we're going to go in here. We got the wheels turned, little trick, so you can access these better. We got some T15 bolts here. We're going to remove those, go in there, and you got some 7mm up in there. You got 12 7mm up underneath, and on the air deflectors here, you got some on the back side, if you can see that, and then the same thing on this side. We're going to take those off, and then we're going to pop the hood and remove this insert in here. You got some T15s and some clips to pop out there. So let's do it.
Let's do it.
All right, so we're getting ready to change out the headlights.
Oh man, this is a task.
New headlights are in. They look really good.
Man, they're so...
I prefer these over the...
Let me see if I can get it back on for you.
Mm-hmm.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
You prefer those over the...
I love these. I've been waiting for these for so long. It just completely changes the car in my opinion. I mean, the ZL1 headlights are nice, but I prefer these ultimately.
They look good.
They're beautiful, man.
Ready to start the bumper. So the bumper's been installed, but we ran out of daylight, so we couldn't get any after pictures. But we will do that and throw those in at the end of this video as far as comparisons before and after. Real quick though, we need to talk about a problem, and there was no solution online, so we figured it out. But it's very similar to what I had to do with my i5 Auto House bumper. The DRLs have MP concepts written on the back of them, and they come with this plug here that plugs directly into your wiring harness that runs your side markers. Thing is, when you plug these in, your side markers won't work because this takes the plug. Well, come to find out, both plugs were pretty much dead. It wasn't pulling any power through the plug, but the wiring harness on the car was hot. So we cut the plugs off, and I actually spliced into his wiring harness, and the DRLs worked that way on first startup. So if you're watching this and you need help with that, that's probably what you need to do. I cut the plug off, spliced into it, and they worked fine, no issues. So now what you guys have been waiting for, before and after comparison videos and pictures. I hope you enjoyed this video. Feel free to go check out the website, www.jcscustomshop.com, and smash that like and subscribe button for me to help support what I'm doing here. Until next time, guys, appreciate y'all watching. Peace out.